Does your skin appear like this and this, full of blemishes, imperfections, large pores and acne marks? Well, this was my skin a few weeks back, and this is what my skin looks like now. I'm not wearing any pore filling primers, no foundations, no setting powders, no nothing. It's like totally blank. See, no makeup at all, and the appearance of blemishes have reduced so much in the past few weeks. Hi guys, this is Sushmita, and if you happen to come across my channel by chance, then do check out my other videos about hair care, beauty and Ayurveda. So a few weeks back I did my share of research about the natural elements and oils that help reduce the appearance of blemishes and reveal a super glowing fresh complexion. And after all that research, I actually zeroed down on 3 elements that are natural and are super high in antioxidants and vitamin C that slowly reduce the appearance of blemishes, imperfections. They also squeeze large pores, etc. So I took a 2 weeks challenge and thoroughly used this DIY facial rub with very simple yet secret ingredients, and you can see the difference all by yourself. And in this video I'm going to share the same very secret recipe, and it's going to leave behind that beautiful pink flush on your cheeks. So do try it out before any party, dinner date, or even in your everyday skincare routine. To make this simple glow ice rub, we need 3 to 4 strawberries. Make sure that they are fresh and juicy. The antioxidants present in strawberries tighten the skin and make it appear plump and youthful. Then comes my favorite ingredient for keeping the skin glowing and tight, and it is beetroot. Beetroot is extremely beneficial for skin. Either you consume it or apply it. Both ways, it's very good for skin. Blend these two together using just 4 to 5 spoons of water. Make sure that you don't use too much water, and make a very fine paste. Pouring it in an ice tray. Try and use an old ice tray because the beetroot will stain it eventually. Adding a tiny bit of vegetable glycerine in each section. I am eyeballing the quantity, so you just have to use say 6 to 7 drops. Glycerine deeply moisturizes the skin and helps in reducing the appearance of premature fine lines and wrinkles. If you've been following my videos, you would know how much I love essential oils, and I use them for everything, skincare, hair care and everything else. Only because essential oils pack a punch. They are basically the concentrate of all medicinal plants, herbs, fruits, flowers, etc., and contain the maximum potency of that medicinal plant. For hair, I usually use essential oils that promote hair growth, control dandruff, and also reduce hair fall. And they basically are eucalyptus essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and even tea tree. And for skin, I particularly pick essential oils that have anti-aging properties, or they kind of work towards evening out your complexion, reducing tan, reducing blemishes, etc. So yang egg essential oil is extremely good for anti-aging, and the current one that I'm totally loving is orange essential oil. Here I'm using the orange essential oil. Orange is an amazing source of vitamin C that instantly brightens and tightens the skin. Orange essential oil is also very high in antioxidants that squeeze large pores and reduces appearance of wrinkles. Using 1 drop of soulflower orange essential oil in each ice cube. Soulflower makes the best essential oils hands down. This one is my current favorite. It smells wonderful, heavenly, just like freshly squeezed orange juice. And orange essential oil also removes suntan. So use this ice rub if your skin has been feeling dull and uneven just because of too much sun exposure. Freeze these cubes for up to 5 hours till they turn solid ice. Now comes my favorite part, and that is the application. Make sure that your face is perfectly cleansed. Don't use it on broken and extremely inflated skin. If you have too many pimples, active pimples, or if you have any cuts on your skin, don't use it. The best is to do a patch test before you go ahead and try any new remedy. Leave it for drying at least for 15 minutes till it's like totally absorbed into the skin, and rinse it using only plain water. Don't use any face wash or any other soap, anything. Just rinse it with plain water and wipe your skin clean. See how fresh and clean does the skin appear, totally ready to go out or even to apply makeup on. And with regular usage, the acne, scars and wrinkles will begin to disappear, and a pink healthy glow will be visible. So my angels, this was a very easy DIY glow rub that you can totally try by yourself today, because you don't have to buy anything special. So do try it out. Let me know how was your experience. You can use this say twice a week. I think that is just enough, because if you have sensitive skin, then I would not recommend using it more than twice or thrice times in a week. So yeah, let me know how did it work for you, and I would love to hear your feedback also on my Instagram. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, and I'll see you all very soon. Then bye and take care.